One of the most distinctive and delicious gifts of the springtime Pärnu Bay is the smelt, a small, silvery fish whose fishing season falls within a short but abundant period, usually in March and April. Just as the ice begins to melt and the water starts to warm, smelt move in large shoals toward the coastal waters to spawn. This is also the time when experienced fishermen head out to Pärnu Bay in the early morning hours to bring ashore the catch gathered in their traditional smelt traps. Local fishermen of the Pärnu region have been catching smelt for generations, honoring time-tested fishing methods and respecting the rhythm of nature. Smelt fishing and its enjoyment are an essential part of springtime life in Pärnumaa, a link between nature, tradition, and local food culture. It is a flavor that marks the arrival of spring. Smelt is a salmonid fish belonging to the Osmeridae family, valued for its delicate and juicy flesh. When fresh, it has a distinctive scent reminiscent of cucumber, making it a unique and easily recognizable delicacy. The fish can be prepared in many ways, classically pan-fried, smoked, marinated, or even tempura style, offering something truly special for the spring table. Every year in April, we invite you to the Pärnu Smelt Festival, which opens at the beginning of the month with a grand celebration as part of Pärnu Day and concludes at the end of April with festivities on Open Fishing Harbors Day. During the 3 weeks of April, restaurants and pubs across Pärnu offer festival dishes featuring deliciously prepared smelt. Welcome to the Pärnu Smelt Festival. For the full schedule and more information, please visit our website